One way to support learners with diverse needs is to use multimedia, such as videos, in presentations. Specifically, learners who struggle with attention disorders, as well as reading, learning, and cognitive disabilities can benefit from having embedded videos as part of their instructional presentations. The videos can be viewed as many times as the learner needs to comprehend the topic or concept. If they're attempting to perform procedures using video that demonstrates each step, they can pause it as they work. If the learners have visual impairments, it is helpful to make the narration as descriptive as possible to help those who are unable to see the visuals. Sometimes video is not the most helpful for people who have visual impairments, so be certain to think about that when choosing video as an instructional resource for your learners. People with auditory impairments can benefit from videos that have closed captioning and a transcript. Then they can use the captioning and transcript to help them understand the visuals presented in the video. Considering the needs of students with diverse needs helps all learners. In this video, we will work through the steps for embedding a YouTube video into a PowerPoint slide. YouTube is a great source for media for instructional presentations, or you can create your own instructional videos and post them on that platform. Once the videos are posted on YouTube, they can be embedded into PowerPoint presentations. So let's take a look and figure out how to do that together. First, you'll go to youtube.com, search for a video, and open it. And that's what I've done right here on the screen. Then you're going to click the share button underneath the video. The share button gives you the web address for the video every time. The URL in the address bar at the top might be for the video, but it also might be for a playlist, so use the button and you can't go wrong. I'm going to click the copy button here, and now I'm ready to go back to PowerPoint. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do in PowerPoint is I want to maybe add a new slide, or if I already have a new slide, I want to make sure that I have a slide that has the title and content layout. And it'll bring up these design options for you. You can use one if you like it, or you can just keep it the basic layout. So when I'm ready to do a video, I could click the little video button in here, but I want you to know where it is in the menu. So if you go to Insert in your ribbon at the top and click the video button, there's a little drop down here, and one of the choices is Online Video. In the dialog box that pops up, we can right click and paste, or you could use Control V to paste it into the dialog box. Once you've done that, click Insert. And that's it. It's inserted. And now if I were to play this full screen, the video would play. I could also double click on this and it would play for me here, or it should, and it does. So if I want to change any of the settings on this video, I can click the playback tab as long as this video is selected. So with that selected, perhaps I want to have this play automatically when the slide comes up. And then I can play it from there. So that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful. please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and happy PowerPointing.